I don't know if you can see. Oh, there he goes. I have this bird feeder sitting there, and on my back porch there's a little bird bath that I put together. I get these cool little birds that pop in and out, checking out the bird feeder. I just refilled it this morning. There's one. These neat little birds. You're looking at it through the screen, that's why there's that kind of weird grid there, because I don't want to disturb the birds. Yep, there's another one. Oh, two of them now. That and certain felines. Hello, Deuce. Hello, Mina. And Shia. You can kind of hear Deuce chattering. I need to sweep my back porch again. But they love the seed. The seed that I get. The bag isn't. It's like about half full. But it's this Songbird blend, specially mixed food to attract songbirds, and that looks very similar to what comes over to some of them, my grill. But aren't they gorgeous? Pretty little birds. And yes, Deuce, I hear you down there. There's actually a road, main road out there. That's where my road dead ends into a main through road, as you can see. So I don't let my cats out. But we get really cool birds popping in and out. Got a bamboo wind chime, this red spinner thing, which actually I think I should probably move so I can see the other side of that a little better. But yeah, birdies. Cute little birds. It's like a little after 9 a.m. almost 9:30. Here's another one. Off they go. They just come in, grab one, and disappear. And of course that's a thermometer that's both in Fahrenheit and Celsius, sitting there next to it. So, bird bath needs cleaning again. You guys like watching the birdies? Huh, Deuce? Meow? Meow? Off they go. You guys love watching the birds. My kitties. Meow. Meow meow. Meow. Hi, Deuce. Being part Siamese, he's very talkative. Mina! She's not paying attention. Mina! Hi, baby. Hi, Deuce. What do you see? You see another bird? Like that one? They just pop in and out. Thought you guys might enjoy that. Nice clear morning. My friend, oh, looky there. Yeah, they like to perch up there and look around. There they come. My friend on YouTube, Jay Zaffy, she'd love this. Nice clear blue skies. Sunny and lots of cute little birds. Off it goes. Nice bright sunny morning. Yes, Deuce, I hear you. Well, take care everybody.